Hi everyone, I'm Anton Russell. I'm proud to introduce Construct Systems and Technology, a pioneering geotechnical engineering products company.
Construck is headquartered in Czech Republic with manufacturing and production in both Europe and Middle East. We are present in 4 continents, serving customers worldwide. Construck designs, tests, develops and manufactures next-generation slope protection products, and currently the only company with full range of engineered, tested sustainable slope protection products for all kinds of slopes with a track record of over 10 years. Construck is the first company to introduce SPaaP, a revolutionary new approach to slope protection industry, where we started shipping ready-made pre-performance tested sustainable slope protection products for all kinds of slopes.
My inspiration for developing SPaaP was we needed an approach where a complex engineering like slope protection was simplified so that even a non-geotechnical person can take decisions on slope protection for their projects. We standardized and conceptualized most of the slope conditions expected on any mountain in the world and developed a product line that covers almost all types of geological conditions. This way, the decisions and delivery for 99% of the slopes can be done immediately, leading to project success. It was a very complex challenge to standardize geology, which is so diverse and no 2 slopes can be the same. However, our geologists and engineers tackled it scientifically to develop SPaaP for slopes.
Construck is the only company with SPaaP and has the longest track record of 10+ years with real projects expertise. Construck SPaaPs are called ConstruckSlope and are decades ahead of the competitors in terms of development and performance. ConstruckSlope SPaaPs are the only slope systems tested for the maximum parameters in slope protection. Construck developed new testing methods unaddressed by the existing testing standards, elevated the performance standards for slope protection systems. What does it mean for the clients?
Clients needs special geotechnical expertise to understand slope protection methods. As a specialized field, often many factors are overlooked due to lack of adequate expertise in-house, and the common service like shotcrete is used for 80% of the slope situations due to lack of a special slope product. These services have practical difficulty in enforcing site-based quality control consistently. Furthermore, these services mostly offer no warranty, and any available warranty comes accountability issues. ConstruckSlope aims to take away this complexity of decision and put the right system as needed where the slope performance is quantified, warranted for peace of mind. So a client using ConstruckSlope gets the most accurate system, safety of slope, and value for money.
Construck is the only company currently offering SPaaP for all slope conditions that are totally sustainable with lower carbon emissions from manufacturing to end of life. Construck owns the current patents that make SPaaPs possible, which is the unique connection interaction modules between grids, concrete elements, and mountains. Hence, Construck is on a league of its own and setting gold standards in the field of slope protection products. How did we achieve it? Construck Labs is the research department of Construck. Instead of being a purely lab-based development center, Construck Lab is actually an on-site testing facility with data collection from live projects, open-air large-scale testing, collaboration with universities, and world-class laboratory facilities. Over 10 years of continuous data collection, testing, material selection, and improvement has gone into making of ConstruckSlope. Furthermore, all the redesigned sections was allowed to stand the test of time in real world before being rolled out for clients' use.
As every challenge starts with geology, a thorough understanding of the geological features inspired us to become a geotechnical engineering consultant to provide the right advice for the client. Being in the heart of product development and involved in new solutions research, along with most practical way of application, we added the best of the trio of product knowledge, consultancy knowledge, and installation experience. In-house geophysical surveying with boreholes, data validation allowed us to collect the most accurate data for input into our simulation models. With our in-depth numerical methods like finite element analysis, We not only focused on slope deformation, but also understand the stress concentrations on the system that could improve the product's mechanical properties. Further, we could model every possible combinations to bring out all the failure scenarios that allowed us to run site-based compatibility checks and make the tweaks in the product as necessary.
SPaaP employs cutting-edge technologies to collect information from slope modules that can predict the soil behavior that can be processed and converted into actionable intelligence. This smart approach, while combined with the AI analytics, can help mitigate geohazards. The future of geotechnical engineering is undergoing transformation, and Construct Systems are more compatible with digital transformation than most other products. We make slopes safe, smart, and interactive, and we allow it to talk to us. ConstruckSlope is the first innovation to have been rolled out, but we have a pipeline of products under development aimed at creating flood-free cities and other hydraulic engineering products, road safety products, ground anchors, etc. Check out the market served by Construck. Installation and product delivery. All Construck SPaaPs are packaged and delivered with instruction manual for installation with the customized machinery blueprint, which can be made on site. This way, Construck can serve the world and provide the world's most sustainable slope protection systems to far and wide to achieve the sustainability goals of construction industry. Construck has exclusive partners in the key markets like North America, Middle East, and Indian subcontinent, where both supply and installation is end-to-end, completed and delivered by Construck. Why is ConstruckSlope important for the planet? Shotcrete, the most preferred and the oldest mountain erosion control system, destroys the planet every day, along with other erosion control traditional approaches.
This is because of the huge usage of concrete ready-mix, which is very resource and energy intensive, high wastage due to time constraints, steel, and low life of application. Not all of these protection quantity can be avoided due to technical reasons, but a huge portion of it can be simply replaced with ConstruckSlope SPaaP. This will reduce the footprint by what you see. Over last several years, Construck has single-handedly contributed to keeping our planet healthy by reducing millions of kilograms of CO2 off the planet, millions of liters of water, and tons of fuel. Construct contributes to a healthy planet by actively solving existing civil engineering challenges, not only from a technical, but also from a sustainability perspective.
We are delighted to share more information if you are interested. Please check our website for more information or contact our specialist for a technical discussion.